Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TECNO Spark 20 Pro Plus, and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint to this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we need to scroll and find password and security. Then let's go to fingerprint. And before we will be able to add the fingerprint, we need to add a regular screen lock. And obviously, if you've got one, you will be just transferred to another step. If not, you really need to do it right now, because if for some reason the fingerprint sensor won't work, then you will still be able to unlock your device with the pattern pin or password. So let me just tap on set screen lock. I'll choose the pattern. Let me draw it, tap on redraw it, and then confirm. Notification content, it's completely up to you, so just mark the option you want to use. And now finally we can tap on add fingerprint. So in this device, the fingerprint is under the screen. So here we've got some tips. So we need to avoid the environment with strong light, keep the screen clean and tidy, and apply the officially certified film to avoid some kind of fingerprint sensor confusion. So let's tap on next. Here we've got our sensor, so let me put my finger on it, and now we need to do it multiple times in order to add the fingerprint fully. So try to catch every part of it for better recognition. Now the edges. As you can see, it's quite fast in this device, which is great. Tap on finish and we are done. So this is the fingerprint we just added. We can rename it or remove it if you want to. You can view enrolled fingerprints, so if you've got more than one added, then you can check them. Add another fingerprint if you want to. I believe you can add up to 5 different fingerprints. It's usually the number that is offered in different devices. You can decide for what you want to use the fingerprint for. You can enable in-screen fingerprint when the screen is off. So as you can see, when enabled, raise or tap will wake the screen. And here you've got the unlocking effect. So if you are the person that like to personalize that kind of things, then you can choose something from here. I don't know, I will pick this one. So this is the customization, and now let's check if it is working. So let me lock the device. Here we've got our sensor, which is great, so let me put my finger on it, and as you can see, the device is unblocked, and it means that we just successfully added the fingerprint. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.